we're doing a spectrum.
So we have a brand new one to NEAF here, ToupTek. ToupTek does a lot of wonderful astrophotography equipment, especially for their cameras, and they're also really getting into the telescope aspect too, like the brand new D60 there. You can see a complete setup with their strain wave mount, the SH20. It's a very, very beefy looking mount, and this is the Hope series, brand new, the PAPO D60 280 millimeter at 4.66. It's a great telescope through there. Maybe I get to try it sometime. We also have the Atlas series dual axis tracking mount, same as EQ and alt-azing dual mode with a payload of 20 kilograms. So very, very nice through there. Definitely, you know, what ToupTek is involved with is definitely from the camera aspect. Cameras are really, really their, you know, big niche thing. And you also have the brand new Stellavita, what it looks like right there on top of here, which is basically the counterpart to the ZWO ASI Air, which they have a lot of, you know, comparison. But the nice part is with the Stellavita is you can use all different brands, so you're not just stuck into one ecosystem. You can be able to use, you know, any brand that you want. So that's really, really nice to have. But we'll go take a look at some of the other cameras here. All right, so we got more of the equipment here. We have the Atlas strain wave gear mount, so the new ones here. We also have their EFW through here, and there's that Stellavita that, you know, that's been the big rage right now of having a smart device very similar to like the ASI Air. There's a nice up person of this. You also have their nice camera here. This is a 455, which is a, you know, one of the newer full frame cameras. We also have, you know, the OAG available for this, and we have some of their other, you know, smaller scopes through here, which some of them are really tiny too. They're tiny little things, but they're great for like wide field astrophotography. And of course, we got a ton of some other, you know, equipment and a lot of, you know, filters. So looking at the filters, we have, oh yes. Oh, what? It's a magnetic fan?
Yeah.
What?
So you can use it this one. You can screw it on the mount.
Oh, okay.
Like this way. But
So
you can also, if you want more cooling, you can attach the fan onto it. It has TC cooling inside. You can either use the fan or not.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's very unique, especially for, you know, using like a planetary camera, you want to cool it to do some deep skies photography stuff.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
That's awesome.
Modular is definitely the really cool way to go for stuff like that. And some of these little tiny scopes, oh my goodness, they're really cute. I love them. Talk about wide field astrophotography right there. You got 150 millimeter focal length. Oh my goodness. It's great during the summer months for the big nebulae out there. Of course, you got all of the wonderful filters here. LRGB with the SHOs. We have a green filter, hydrogen alpha. And then, of course, another little close-up more on the Stellavita. That's a really, really cool one because we love the ease of astrophotography and not have to reroute a bunch of different cables. Oh, look at all the USB ports. Woo!
It's the new generation.
The new generation one, yeah. That's really cool. Does it have power? Yep, you got power ports there for powering your rig. On the other side there, you get 4 of those. You got Wi-Fi or directly Ethernet. Very, very nice. And then we got some of the cameras here. That is the ATR 2600 mono. Definitely been eyeballing a mono IMX 571 to upgrade. Down further on down the line. That is beautiful. And then we got some wonderful photos that were taken. Oh my goodness. That medium format. Oh my God, it's one of the scientific cameras. G-pixel. That has got to be a huge adapter to run for something like that. But also we got some nice, wonderful photos here. Got people to take in with the cameras. Beautiful. That is awesome. And so you have it as an example there.
Yeah. This is our latest mount.
The latest mount, that is the strainwave gear. Yeah. Definitely strainwave is the way to go. It's instead of the worm gears. I've used worm gears and stuff all the time. I hate having the balancing payload.
Oh.
That's the biggest pain in the world is balancing payload, because everything is always either, you know, you have a short like SMIC like Cassegrain scope, trying to balance that in the up and down, nightmare.
Oh.
Just throw it onto the mount and not have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, yeah, like the interface for it looks, you know, pretty simple.
Yeah, we just update the software. We also have the star library. Like you can check tonight's best. And like Mercury and go to, but it doesn't go to now because because it's not aligned.
With north.
But at night it works okay, and you can do all the planned shooting.
Yeah. So with Nina, like one of the biggest things that I loved about Nina is the ability to do filter offsets and switch between each filter. Like, say like I'm shooting like an LRGB, shoot in like luminance, switch over the red, green, blue, and just kind of go through the cycle. Is that possible with this stuff? Really? Especially for, you know, monochrome users, that's a huge thing, because nothing's worse than you trying to complete a project and you're missing a color channel because you didn't have enough.
Yeah, so now this is a filter well, and you can check the different slots. And you can set the gain and exposure for each slot to shoot. This setting.
And to be able to actually cycle through that, that's, oh my gosh, that is, ooh. Definitely would love to try out the Stellavita like that. That I would love to, because that gets me back to doing something like that, because I love everything, you know, compact, that's easy to move around, not have like 1,000 different cables to deal with, and, you know, be able to take it anywhere. It's a little bit harder to take a mini PC somewhere to like a remote site, but if you have something like that, that helps tremendously. That's really cool.